Some people use their truck for work, while others use it for play. Either way, you need a way to protect the items that travel in your truck's bed. Meet the Gator EFX, a made-in-the-USA, top-quality hard-fold cover that features outer panels made from heavy-duty aluminum coated with a textured, black, high-gloss finish that's UV-resistant. And Gator's flush-mount design makes for a sleek, low-profile look. The Gator EFX opens easily into 2 preset positions, including a 2/3 open position, perfect for hauling and securing longer items. And the cover can be secured in this position for driving with the provided storage straps. And for even more convenience, the Gator EFX features sturdy slam latches that lock automatically as panels are closed. And weather stays out thanks to durable, pliable rubber seals that overlap the bed cap. The mounting rails also have a weather strip that runs the length of the bed to help form even a second level of weather protection. And the Gator EFX is easy to install, no drilling needed, and can be done in about 30 minutes. The side rails are secured into place with clamp-on rails. A simple wrench does the trick. And to top it off, the Gator EFX features a 3-year warranty and a customer service department based in the United States, so help and support is always close. So when it's time to choose your truck bed tonneau cover, choose the one that protects your cargo, whatever it may be. Gator covers, made in the USA and ready for your road ahead.
The Tyger T3 Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover is the perfect solution to cover your truck bed with style and only takes a few minutes to install. In this video, we will be installing on a 2019 Ford F-150 with a 5.5-foot bed. If the truck's front bed rail or tailgate is lower than the sides, use the provided weather seal strip. Gaps on the front bed or tailgate will cause noise and flapping issues while the vehicle is in motion. The clamps are already attached to the assembled cover. There are 2 front clamps, 2 front safety clamps, and 2 rear clamps. Place the assembled cover on the bulkhead against the cab. Unbuckle the safety strap and unfold the cover completely towards the tailgate. Make sure the cover is aligned on all sides. Then carefully fold the cover up to the cab without moving its position. Pull down the front clamp. Then hook the clamp's jaw portion onto the metal bed rail lip and turn the knob until the side Q seal is compressed for a snug fit. The position of the clamp has been pre-assembled for optimal fitment on your vehicle, but if needed, release the top Phillips head screw and then the clamp can be relocated to any of the 3 horizontal positions. Next, install the 2 front safety clamps for additional security. Unfold the cover completely towards the tailgate. Pull down the rear clamps and hook onto the bed rail lip to ensure a snug fit. Close the tailgate to complete the installation. To access the truck bed, open the tailgate and pull the 2 clamp handles up to release the rear clamps. Fold the cover over once and then secure the rear clamps to the side with the jaw portion facing down. When the vehicle is in motion, safety straps must be buckled if cover is folded to the cab or if cover is closed. All 6 clamps must be securely attached to the truck.